If you're seeing a green dot in the status bar on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, and S26 Ultra, don't worry. It's actually a privacy feature, not a bug. The green dot appears when the camera is being used and the microphone is active. How to remove the green dot from Samsung S26 status bar? Check out below given 3 solutions. Method 1. Open the recent apps and tap on Close All to close all apps at once. If you are still facing the issue, try the next solution. Method 2. Pull down the notification panel at the top, then stop your recording or disable any other background app access that will remove the green dot from the status bar. Method 3. Block or turn off camera and microphone access. Swipe down the notification panel twice from the top and block camera and microphone access. And that's it. If you see the green dot randomly, it's not a problem. It's your phone protecting you. Thank you for watching.